Welcome back to DRJ Training. In this session, we will talk about well integrity barriers, illustrating the industry philosophy of well barriers. NORSOC Standard D010 defines well integrity as the application of technical, operational and organizational solutions to reduce risk of uncontrolled release of formation fluids and well fluids throughout the life cycle of a well. Another definition for well integrity based on ISO standard TS 16532. Well integrity is the containment and the prevention of the escape of fluids, i.e. liquids or gases, to subterranean formations or surface. Well integrity management system can be defined as the continuous management, assessment and verification process used to ensure the integrity of wells is designed, achieved, monitored and maintained throughout the life cycle of the well. A well barrier envelope is a combination of one or several well barrier elements, WBEs, that contain fluids within a well to prevent uncontrolled flow of fluids within or out of a well. A system of multiple barriers and redundancy in well barrier elements is used to achieve a high level of reliability. The verification, maintenance, inspection, and testing of well barriers are mandatory. However, broadly, ISO defines barriers as a combination of components or practices that contribute to the well system reliability to prevent or stop uncontrolled fluid flow. Barriers may be 1. Hardware barriers, which include technical and physical equipment which is designed, installed and verified. 2. Operational barriers including monitoring equipment, practices and procedures. 3. Human barriers including competencies and training. 4. Administrative controls, which are assignment of roles, resource provision, auditing, and reviews. A system of multiple barriers and redundancy in well barrier elements is used to achieve a high level of reliability. 2. Independently verified, tested well barrier envelopes should be maintained. If not available, a risk assessment should be performed to confirm that one well barrier provides an acceptable level of risk to maintain containment. The oil and gas industry relies on two-barrier principle, hat over hat. The primary barrier is the first set of barrier elements exposed, in direct contact, to the pressure source. The secondary barrier is typically not exposed to the produced fluid or pressure but provides redundancy in the case of primary barrier failure. It will be exposed to the source only if the primary barrier fails. Two-barrier philosophy allows incidents to happen without escalating into accidents.